In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tickets in HubSpot CRM. This process is perfect for efficiently managing customer inquiries and support requests, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Let's dive right in to get you set up and familiar with this feature. First, head over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on it. If you have your account linked to Google, there's an easy way to get logged in without fussing over passwords. Simply click Sign in with Google and choose the account you'd like to log in with. This will take you straight into your HubSpot dashboard. Now that we're in, let's proceed. Over on the left side, you'll notice a panel containing various options. From this menu, locate and select CRM. This is your central hub for managing customer relationships, and now it's where we can access ticketing. With the CRM opened, direct your attention to the menu options and find Tickets. Selecting this will bring you to the main ticket interface, where you'll be able to view any ongoing tickets or start creating a new one. Let's go through setting up a ticket. For creating a new ticket, look at the top right of your screen where you'll find a Create button. Go ahead and click on it. This is the starting point for setting up your ticket. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a name for your ticket. The ticket name should be descriptive enough to easily identify the issue or request at hand. Once you've named your ticket, the next step is to select the pipeline. Pipelines are essential for organizing your tickets based on stages or categories specific to your business needs. Choose the one that aligns best with the nature of the ticket you're creating. Following that, you'll need to set the ticket status. This could be something like new, in progress, or closed, depending on the current state of the inquiry or issue. This status helps to track the life cycle of the ticket and ensures everyone on your team knows what stage the ticket is in. It's also important to add a detailed ticket description. Here, you should include all relevant information about the request, such as the problem details, any previous interactions, or any pertinent notes. After providing the description, make sure to fill in any other necessary details for the ticket. This could include an assigned agent, priority level, or customer contact information. The more information you include, the easier it is for anyone on your team to pick up where you left off. Finally, when everything is set and you're satisfied with the details, scroll to the bottom and click Create. And that's it. Your ticket is now set up and ready to go. You can manage it through the CRM, ensuring it's resolved in a timely manner. That wraps up our guide on using tickets in HubSpot CRM. With these steps, you'll be able to streamline your customer service processes and maintain great relationships with your clients.